How to remove complex backgrounds in Photoleap. First of all, open the Photoleap app and wait for it to fully load. Next, tap on Edit Photo and choose the image from your gallery that has a complex background you want to remove. Once your image opens in the editing workspace, tap on the Cutout tool from the bottom toolbar. Now, use the Auto option to quickly detect and separate people, objects, or background. This works well for simple selection, but for complex backgrounds, you will likely need to use Erase and Restore tools for better control. Use the Erase tool to manually brush away any leftover background areas that the Auto tool missed. You can zoom in for more detailed work and adjust the brush size for precision. If you accidentally remove part of the subject, switch to the Restore tool and brush it back in. Take your time to carefully refine the edges around your hands, or other tricky areas so the final cutout looks clean and professional. When you are happy with the cutout, tap the check mark to apply. You can now add a new background or keep it transparent. Finally, tap the save icon at the top right to export the image. And that's it. Now you know how to remove complex background in Photoleap. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.